Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajimoke. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm so glad you're here. Please do well by clicking on the subscribe button below. Turn on the post notification right beside it so as to be notified whenever I drop new video. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and also feel free to share this video if you feel like it. So as the title implies, guys, we are going to be discussing how to sell yakatama and make money fast. Okay, so if you are out there, you don't have anything you're doing, probably you're still like looking for a job, you're seeking for a job, looking for a civil service job. Excuse you, when will that job come? Like, we all know what is happening in this country, and I'm here just to tell you how you can make money selling yakatama. You all know that anything sex therapy in this country is always embraced fast. For example, you can see Jaruma's empire. You can see how she's doing well. I think she's the #1 sex therapist in Nigeria, and see how her business has grown so well, okay, and many more. Okay, so in my previous video I showed you how you can make your yakatama, Punnani sweetener syrup that is good for dryness. It is good to increase the level of libido. Okay, this product can actually be sold. Okay, it can actually be sold. When you make it like that, just to make sure you get a bottle like this, like a packaging bottle like this. Just get it. This is yakatama. Okay, I've used out of it, so the remaining one I just feel like, let me just show my people. Okay, this is another way of making money fast, sitting at the comfort of your home. You don't need to get a shop, you don't need anything. Just open an Instagram page or on your Facebook page. If you can invest like 20,000 naira, trust me, you're going to make something out of this product. Okay, just know your customer base, build a customer base. When you start this business, don't put too much profit on it for you to gather customer, and from there, when you have a good customer base, you can actually increase your money bit by bit, and trust me, your business is going to grow and you're going to make money fast selling yakatama. Do you know how many women suffering from dryness of Punnani, low level of libido? Many women are suffering from that. Okay, so when you bring out a solution for a problem, trust me, people are going to embrace it. And also, it is very easy to prepare. You can preserve it. If you want to preserve it, let me know in the comment section, so as to let you know. That will be for private and for business purpose. Okay, so I'm bringing to you a business idea where you can just make money fast. And there's another thing you can use as a Punnani sweetener, and this is a sugar plums. Like it is a sugar plums. It's just like sweet. Okay, you can always get this. You can holler me if you want it. You just get your own packaging, or you sell it like this. And you can also get a sticker. Let me look for one. Just a sticker like this. Okay, paste it on the product, and trust me, put it out on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter. People are going to respond to you. People are going to buy. Just know who your customer are, know what market you're targeting, and that's it. Trust me, guys, you're going to make it out of this business. So for those of you that are just sitting down at home, my fellow youths, okay, you all know what our Oga is doing in this country. Don't let me go into that. Okay. So please, my fellow youths, you have to empower yourself. That is very important for you to do. Investing 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, I know to some people is a lot of money, but Just try as much as possible to empower yourself in this country, please. So as you all know, job in this country is like waiting for an aeroplane to land on the beach, which is not possible. So that is why I am bringing this business idea for you guys. I just thought about it yesterday, and I think of okay, let me just make a video after the one I did. So I was just like, okay, let me just make this video for you to know that you can actually make money. If you don't have the idea, yes, I have helped you think. I have think about it, and I am here to just spill it out for you. It is now left for you to embrace it or not, because most importantly, what I preach about business is to do what you love. Don't do business because somebody force you to do it, or somebody tell you to do it and force you to do it. Rather, do business because you love to do it. Because business you don't like, if you invest in business you don't want to do or you don't like, it will crash at the end of the day. So make sure this thing I am bringing to you, KAYANMATA, and trust me, you all know now, KAYANMATA, go to Instagram, type it out and know how much it is sold. Sweetener, Punnani sweetener, Punnani sweetener, okay? Go out there and ask how much it is sold, so that you will know the value of it when you do it. Because this thing I'm teaching you, this thing I'm telling you, okay, it worth thousands of naira if you actually want to learn, irrespective of how simple it is to make. They will still charge you, okay? But this is just like an empowerment, guys. If you don't know you can make money out of what the video I uploaded last, go and check it. The link will be in the description box below. Check it. Punnani sweetener syrup, okay? So if you don't know you can actually make money on it, here I am telling you, you can actually make it in a large quantity. Package it in a bottle like this, get a sticker like this and paste it on the bottle, okay? Post it on your Facebook page, post it on your Instagram, and voila, trust me, you're going to get customer, because this thing kokutao kokutarara, when you have it, you will sell anything sex therapy in Nigeria. It is wara, it is selling fast, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful, and I hope this video is an eye-opener. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this video, most importantly, because I would like to hear from you, your feedback. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.